Hello guys, my name is Ayan and today I'm going to teach you how to use your own signature as the watermark in your videos. At first, sign on a white paper and click a photo of your signature. For better results, you can scan it. Now open the image in Photoshop. Click Ctrl plus T or in Mac Command plus T and rotate it. Then we have to scale it down. Select exposure. Try to turn the paper white, so increase the exposure. Now select curves. We want a signature to be darker, so decrease the brightness. Select the topmost layer. Click Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus C on your keyboard to get a snapshot of the whole project. Now go to Select Color Range. Select Shadows from the drop down menu. Set the fuzziness and the range in such a way so that we can get our signature selected clearly. In this case, the fuzziness should be 36 and the range should be 108. Click OK. Now we can see the signature is selected. Create a layer mask. Create a new layer at the top. Clip it to the signature layer. Select a soft brush. Take black as the foreground color and paint on this layer. In this way we can make our signature darker. Now go to Edit. Define brush preset. Rename the brush. I am naming it signature Bengali. Click OK. And we got a whole new brush. Create a new layer. Here the brush is working. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.